In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT using Skrill. Stick around to the end. Choose the token that you would like to buy, which is USDT. Make sure that you are under the buy section. Select the payment method and then head to the search bar right here. Search for Skrill, click on it, and then choose the amount you'd like to spend. And I highly suggest that you actually choose the US dollar currency, as that's what's probably in your Skrill account. Just $20. Click on find offers. After doing this, all you're going to look for right now is offers from people. Make sure that if you have your ID verified, to choose people with ID verification, as that will be much safer. As you can see, those people has 6% above market price, which is actually good. We've seen in some videos that some people actually have even 40% or 30%, which is just a steal. Note that I will only receive 9.43 USDT. And if I would like to work with this guy, I would actually like to check some stuff before I do. The average time is 13 minutes. Actually it's under a minute. The guy has 168 positive feedback, and as you can see, I would actually read the offer terms. Hi, I send my Skrill address. You send the USD to my Skrill. Fees on the buyer, which is on me, and that's basically it. That's it for today's video, guys, and goodbye.